Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a frame on a Filmorago apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Filmorago apps, in here you can see a feature and at the feature you can click on more. And after this you can see a frame effect, this one. So you just click on this, and after this you can click on a use, click on it, and in here you can add the video or photo that you want to edit, but I want to add the video, so you just click on a video at the top, and after this you can add the video that you want to edit, and then click next at the bottom. And after this you can see this is the the frame effect from a Filmorago app. So you just click on it, and in here you just click check icon, and now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that how to add frame effect on a Filmorago apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.